So, hey, my YouTubers and everyone in the world. Today is August the 14th. The time is now 2:41 p.m., guys. It was a beautiful Wednesday all day. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you can see more of me. Now, today we're going to have a Popeyes Mukbang. Okay, so I have some Coke soda in here. Oh, man, I have these boneless chicken. It's so good. I also have some mashed potatoes with no gravy because the gravy has pork in it, and I'm hungry too. You can't go wrong with this now, can ya? Which is apple pie. But let's get into this video, and we're gonna talk tonight. So yeah, I had a good day at work. Of course, I went to the job, I did my thing. You always got to keep a positive attitude. But I am about to switch jobs. And this is ranch, guys, if you didn't know. I am about to switch jobs because it's time for a change. Look at that. Look at that. That is so good. I've been cooking more, like every day. But today, I just didn't feel like cooking. Now I need a break. Let me take a picture for the thumbnail. Wait. Look at this one, guys. This one is huge. Yeah, so. This mashed potato, so nice and thick and creamy. I love it when it's like this. What? Look at that. Oh, see how thick it is? Look at that. Now that's a mashed potato. Woo! Breath of fresh air. So you have the 5-piece, then you have the 10-piece, and then you have the 20-piece. It's good. And most of all, what I like about it is it's inexpensive. The 10-piece is only what, $2.99? Well, no, $4.99, $5. so good. That mashed potato. Mmm. Mm. It's nice and thick. It has flavor to it. It's good. Definitely a thumbs up. Because I was so hungry. And guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, to show some love and support. Mmm. Woo! That was good. And now let's dip into this apple pie. And I love the apple pie because it's nice, it's sweet. I love the crust. That's my favorite part, the crust. You see that? You see that? Got some cinnamon on it, little sugar. Want a bite? Here you go. Mmm. Oh my God. Mmm. I love the apples. Mmm. I love that crust, boy. Mmm. Damn, this is good. Mm-mm-mm. Look at that. Mm. That's some good stuff. Mm, mm. Mm. Thank God. Mm. I'm full. I'm satisfied. That was everything. Everything. I hope you guys love this Popeyes mukbang. If you did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. And like I always say, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And of course, Visit my website at shoploveronline.com. Until next time, guys, peace.